Welcome to Silves, Portugal. Come with us as we check out the castle of Silves, but first, we have to get there.
Oh!
I don't know the name in English.
It's okay.
The tree will give a special kind of fruit.
Oh!
Under the tree, along the years, make a good land for culture.
Oh!
Rich.
Very cool.
Don't tell nothing.
I don't know anything that you said. Very cool. Thank you very much.
All right.
Bye.
Look at all those gosh darn birds. What silly birds. Those birds are ridiculous. Look at them in those trees.
The better way to go up.
Well, it leads to the nice, pretty, like,
We're here in Silves. Silves, Portugal, right before Lagos. We're gonna go hike up to a castle and check out the views. It seems like every little town here has its own castle on the hill. Is this it?
no.
Enough.
Not the kind of cat house I was wanting.
Oh, and there's a kitty. Kitty. Say, if a cat were to murder me and I woke up right before my last gasp, it'd be that cat.
Definitely for the cat. Pretty, really nice view. The entire castle, I found the one aqueduct. Oldie. Ooh, we can storm that castle.
Oh God, this makes me nervous. Don't fall. Roy! It's not even funny.
This is how the
Sorry,
aqueduct
it's not
was,
funny.
except for it was stories of it.
It was...
It wasn't scary to you said. Yeah, they are. They weren't going to follow me.
No, like, you can go down. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, that's the picture I wanted. So good.
Okay, again. Practice like your tree, what you call it. It's like to fall out of an Eva. 3 nests of your birds right there.
No, really? These birds are hilarious.
They just shop wherever.
You leave and then go down to it.
Is it over by the car?
Kind of. On the way.
Jen, what is this?
There's too many words I can't pronounce. The Silves Castle, large
Native.
consists of large reservoir excavated out of rocky substrate.
You're fine. We need your echoes. No, I need your guys'. I need your guys' laughter down there. And again, it's a Jenni-sized door.
Oh, look at my buried in links. Found it. They were playing that song. And that was like their starting song. Yeah, that's right. Get this party started. Yeah.
What cool country. There's just stuff everywhere. There's castles on hills. There's big old churches. There's great fields. It's just pretty. pretty cool. We are on our way to Lagos. It is starting to get all stormy looking outside.
What? Oh no.
So not the best beach weather, but it is what it is. We're still gonna have a good time. I think a barnacle tonight would be really fun.
A beer tonight sounds great.
Glass of wine, big topped off beer. Let's do it.
And barnacles.
Coming to my villa.
Roy says we can walk to the restaurant. We'll see. Fearless leader leading us to find some barnacles because I'm hungry. Off we go to the restaurant. He's the best at finding anything at all.
We're making Eva go to the ocean to pick her barnacles.
I'm off to find my own way to the restaurant.
My own barnacle. Pre-picked.
Our fearless leader found it. Asketh, and ye shall provide. Yeah.